Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade futures on ThinkorSwim. In a few minutes, you'll see how to enable futures trading and where to go in the platform when you're ready to place a trade. Remember, futures are leveraged products and involve significant risk, so take your time as you proceed. Begin by opening the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer. Once the workspace loads, move your eyes to the upper right corner of the screen. You're looking for the Setup menu, typically labeled Setup, and often accompanied by a small gear icon. Click it to reveal your configuration options. From that menu, choose Open Setup Wizard. This guided tool streamlines configuration so you don't have to dig through multiple panels. When the wizard opens, locate and select the option labeled Futures Trade. This enables futures functionality on your platform. Click. Next to continue, then follow the on-screen prompts until you are finished. Depending on your account, you may be asked to review and acknowledge futures risk disclosures, confirm that you have the necessary trading permissions, and verify market data selections. Read each screen carefully, confirm what applies to you, and continue. If you work with more than one account, double-check that the correct account is active before you complete the wizard. When it confirms you're done, close the wizard to return to the main workspace. Now head to the top of the platform and look for the Trade tab. Click Trade to open the trading interface. This is where you'll access quotes, futures chains, and order entry. In the symbol field, you can enter a futures root symbol and then select the contract month that aligns with your plan. Expand a contract month to view details like tick size and multiplier so you understand the product you're trading. In the order entry area, set your quantity and choose your order type, such as market or limit, and review the estimated buying power effect before sending. You can also use tools like a depth of market ladder or the active trader panel if you prefer a more visual way to stage and route orders. At this point, you're ready to trade. Pause for a quick pre-check. Verify the correct contract, direction, BUA, quantity, and price. When everything looks right, send the order and monitor your fills and working orders in the platform. If you're new to futures or to ThinkorSwim, consider practicing in a simulated environment first to build confidence with the workflow. That's the full path. Open the platform, go to Setup, launch the Setup wizard, choose Futures Trade and complete the prompts, then switch to the Trade tab to begin. Thanks for watching, and trade carefully.